Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Narrator. Life is a test, and every test is an opportunity to turn closer to Allah. The Prophet Muhammad said, "Amazing is the affair of the believer, for everything is good for him." And this is not the case with anyone except the believer. If something good happens, he is grateful, and that is good for him. If something bad happens, he is patient, and that is good for him. Sahih Muslim. Reflection. When the world feels heavy, remember. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Qur'an 4. Trust in Allah. And whoever puts his trust in Allah, then he will suffice him. Qur'an 6. Gratitude. If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor. Qur'an 4. Final words. Don't rush the journey. The plan of Allah is always better than our own. So be patient. Indeed, the promise of Allah is true. For Qur'an 3. Let your heart find peace in remembrance. Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. Qur'an 3. Narrator soft ending. O Allah, keep our hearts firm on your path, and our tongues moist with your remembrance. Ameen. Jazakallah.